Welcome to Wednesday's Financial News Review, presented by Forex, a multi-award-winning Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest financial news.
Netflix rose 2% on Tuesday, closing at $1,280, close to its 52-week high. The surge was fueled by bullish analyst upgrades and investor optimism ahead of the content expansion. Spanish stock market index traded above 14,000 euros on Wednesday, marking a strong rebound. The rally was driven by gains in banking and airline stocks. U.S. natural gas futures traded at around $3.56, increasing by 0.7%, as traders eyed geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, but no immediate supply disruptions were reported. The Canadian dollar traded around 1.37 per USD, stabilizing after retreating from its 8-month high, as steady domestic inflation readings led to shifting monetary policy expectations and provided support for the Canadian dollar. Bitcoin traded at around $106,600 this Wednesday, increasing by 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Traders are eyeing a breakout above $106,000, but resistance remains tight, keeping volatility elevated. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 6:45 a.m., France to release the Consumer Confidence Index for June, following 88 in May. At 2 p.m., the new home sales in the U.S. are expected to decrease, after reaching 10.9% in April. At 9 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the Business Confidence Index of June, following 73 in May. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the durable goods orders for May, following -6.3% in April. At 12:30 p.m., the gross domestic product growth rate in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 2.4% in the fourth quarter of 2024. At 11:30 p.m., Japan will release figures for the unemployment rate of May, following 2.5% in April.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.